Igoti-ini inene guku Nairobi, Moses Dola ekinyia mbere ya Mucirithania Roseline Korir itua-ini ria cira uria ukoretwo githie na mbere kwa ihinda ria miaka mugwanja riu riria athitangirwo kuraga mutumia wake Sarah Wambui Kabiru uria wari mwandiki wa mohoro. Kuringana na igoti riri, Dola onekete ari na mahitia ma kuraga mutumia wake atakwenda ihitia riria agutuirwo kioho nario.
I have found that the accused caused the unlawful death of the deceased. I have also found that the element of mens rea was not proved beyond reasonable doubt. I apply the provisions of the law to substitute the charge of murder to one of manslaughter.
Mwaka-ini wa 2011 mwena wa Umoja guku Nairobi, nyumba-ini iria Dola na Wambui maikaraga nikuo mwiri wa Wambui wakorirwo ukomete oriri-ini na murango wa rumu yao ya toro ukahingwo. Uthuthuria ukionania ati Wambui aguthitwo mutwe na kindu gituhu. Dola atariirie igoti na kuga ati maya mothe mahanikire thutha wake kunegenania na Wambui kwa ihinda inini, njukaniriro iria yatumira Wambui agwe na gutihio kiongo. Umuthi aheo mweke wa kwiyaria igoti-ini, ahera akiuga niendete family yake muno na ndangiendire iharagane na njira iyo.
But most importantly, I'd like to let the court know that I never intended to kill my wife. And I'm sorry for the loss the family has suffered.
Wambui akua atigire mwana wao na Dola ari wa miaka 2 uria riu Dola augite akoretwo na ihinda iritu akigwa maria macungiriire gikuo kia nyina.
I valued my family first and I lost it. And now through the efforts of my mother-in-law, I'm regaining to get connected to my mother-in-law, to get connected to my son.
Dola aguikara thiini o nginyagia tariki 26 cia mweri uyu riria agatuirwo kioho gia kuraga atakwenda. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.